Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can manage negative comments on Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, go to your profile menu right here. Then after that, you can click on this button on the top right corner of your screen, and then there will be several options for you, and you can click on settings and privacy. Then you have to scroll your screen until you find hidden words. And this is the hidden words option, so just tap on it. Then we're going to click on manage custom words and phrases right here, and you can add word or phrases right here. For example, I'm going to add that word like this, then click on add. And if there's a comment that contained this word on your Instagram post, the comment will automatically removed. And we can go back to the preview section. Then don't forget to activate the option. You just need to click on this toggle button. Okay guys, and that's how we can manage negative comments on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.